how long is Acorn free? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorn TV, a streaming service that offers a wide variety of British TV shows and movies. I've been using Acorn TV for a while now, and I've really enjoyed it. I think it's a great service for anyone who loves British TV. So, how long is Acorn TV free? Well, the good news is that Acorn TV offers a free trial for new users. The free trial is for 7 days, and you can watch as many shows and movies as you want during that time. Once your free trial is over, you'll need to subscribe to Acorn TV in order to continue watching. Body. So, what are some of the things that you can watch on Acorn TV? Here are a few of my favorite shows. Call the Midwife, Endeavor, Doc Martin, Grantchester, Miss Fisher's Murder Mysteries. Acorn TV also has a lot of movies to choose from. Some of my favorites include The Lady Vanishes, Brief Encounter, The Winslow Boy, The Railway Children, The Remains of the Day. In addition to the shows and movies that are available on Acorn TV, the service also offers a number of other features, such as ad-free viewing, offline viewing, 4K Ultra HD streaming, Dolby Atmos sound. Conclusion. Overall, I think Acorn TV is a great streaming service for anyone who loves British TV. It offers a wide variety of shows and movies, and it's also very affordable. If you're looking for a new streaming service to try, I highly recommend Acorn TV. Outro. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content. Additional tips. You can also use Acorn TV on your phone, tablet, or computer. Acorn TV is available in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and Ireland. You can sign up for a free trial of Acorn TV at https://acorn.tv. I hope this information is helpful. Thanks for watching.